Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix some common crashing errors with Modern Warfare 3. We'll be looking at error code Xerox, 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 and Xerox. Let's start with error code Xerox. This error usually means there's a problem with your game files or drivers. First, make sure your game and graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause all sorts of problems, so it's always a good idea to keep them up to date. Next, you'll want to verify the integrity of your game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. You can do this through your game launcher like Steam or Battle.net. If that doesn't work, try restarting your game and computer. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need to fix things. Lastly, ensure your operating system is up to date. Outdated system files can sometimes interfere with games. Now let's move on to error code Xerox. This error usually indicates a more serious problem with your game files. Again, start by verifying the integrity of your game files using the platform's file verification tool. If that doesn't fix the problem, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the game completely. This should be a last resort as it will take a while to re-download the entire game. If you're still having trouble, you may need to contact Activision support for further assistance. They may be able to help you troubleshoot the issue or provide a more specific solution. Next up is error code Xerox, which often pops up when your system is overloaded. Close any background programs that may be using up your system resources, especially web browsers, streaming software, or other programs running in the background. Make sure you have enough RAM and CPU resources available to run the game smoothly. If you're still getting this error, try updating your graphics drivers and DirectX. Finally, let's tackle error code Xerox. This one usually means there's a problem with your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and you have a strong signal. Verify your network settings and ensure that the necessary ports for Modern Warfare 3 are open. Sometimes restarting your router or modem can also help resolve connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing problems, contact your ISP to see if there's an issue with your internet service. That covers some solutions for common Modern Warfare 3 crashing errors. Remember to note down the specific error code you encounter as it helps pinpoint the root of the problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.